All right, so apparently you can do bicep curls and lunges and different things like that. And I guess it just kind of slips on the side here. Like that. I'm gonna have to show you guys. Because this is really, there's no like hole for it to go in. You follow me? So this is what I'm doing. Because I've looked at the pictures, there's like a little shelf here. So all I'm doing is kind of like swooshing this into it like this. You follow me? Now, I don't know. I guess that's how it goes, right? I mean, there's no like, they should have put a little like thing on here, but this just, you know, in the manual, this is basically what it shows you doing. So let's go ahead and try that and see if I'll show you how to do like bicep curls. All right, so now we're ready to go. And the first thing you gotta do is, you wanna get, oh shoot, look at that, it just came off. All right, let me put it back on. You gotta get tension on it, I guess, when you first get on. And you gotta set this, see how this is? You gotta get that like that. So let's see if this one comes up. All right, this one's good. All right, so I'm gonna have to use my toes to go ahead and get it going. So I'm just gonna use my toe to start it. All right, and then bicep curls, right? Here I am. I don't know. There's not a lot of resistance, but hey, you know what I mean? All right, I'm gonna go up speed. Look at that. See, I figured out a way to do it. I'm going all the way. I'm using my toe. I'm at 90 and 99. All right, so now we can do bicep curls. Oh my gosh. Huh. Yeah, it works a little bit, not a lot. If I go all the way down, you might be able to do some other stuff with it. If I do it like this, I might be able to do shoulders. You know, some shoulder exercises. This is good. I'm just like trying different things. Same thing this way. Like a shoulder exercise, right? You might even be able to, well, I don't know about that. It doesn't really let me do, it doesn't give you the resistance, but look, here I am, doing some exercise. Woohoo! All right, okay, let's set that down. Look, it just comes off. I mean, if you don't have resistance on it, it'll just come off. All right, so let's say I wanted to stop it. I could come over here with my toe, and then it stops it. First, it's got to count down. And when it gets to the last, it stops. So I'm going to show you guys how that does that. How I did it with my toes. I'm going to come down really close to the machine. All right, so check this out. When you get on the machine, instead of having to bend down to press the buttons with your hands, all I have to do really is take my big toe, I hit start, bam. And so there I am, I'm on 1 right now. But let's say I want to go higher. I take my big toe and I put it right there. I'm going all the way up. Here I go. Going all the way, using my toe, toeing it. I'm toeing this baby. Bam, done. There I am, look. I'm rocking it. Ha! It says ha. How do you like that? And so, yeah. Now, if I wanted to stop it, I would just take my big toe over here. Notice I'm using my right one. I could use my left. And then look, when you stop it, it has to go to 1 first before it stops. Now you could use the remote to do this, but I think this is easier. And when I start it again, it starts at 1. Then I would have to go right back up, you know, and get it back to that higher speed. I mean, I think everybody's going to want to do it at high speed, to tell you the truth. I think that's where you're going to want to be. So that's how easy it is. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.